Hello guys. Do you know in some cultures it is considered a taboo for a woman to approach a man first? Well, I thought you should know this before I teach you how to defy this fallacy and have all the beautiful ladies around you literally dying to get your attention. If you're the type of guy who wants to attract ladies' attention, well, continue watching and take some notes. I'm going to get straight to the first point. Firstly, pre-selection. If you think having a company of ladies around you is a turn-off to that lady you desire, then you are definitely wrong. According to pre-selection theory, which has been tested and proven repeatedly, women are attracted to men who other women are already attracted to. It is more often when a man is seen around high-value women. Psychology has it that women get curious to know what exactly makes you attractive to women. By asking such questions, they assign a high-value status that nurtures a seed of attraction in their heads. This then means that they'll approach you first to see what the big deal is. I don't mean you should date many ladies, but hey, it is not a crime to hang around your female friends and let them display how they value and enjoy your company. It makes other ladies curious to know more about you. Point number 2, your dressing code. A lot has been said about dressing smart and looking presentable. I want to teach you something new that when incorporated in your dressing code will probably make you the lady's choice. Men are said to be colorblind, but I believe that the color red is not easily mistaken. That is the secret. Add several red outfits in your wardrobe, preferably button-up shirts. A series of research has shown that the red dress effect makes us perceived as more sexually appealing. Just imagine a woman's red, seductive red lipstick. Your lipstick will be your outfit. Red also makes men look more attractive, sexually desirable, and powerful. According to a research conducted by the Journal of Experimental Psychology, General, at the University of Rochester, women view men in red as higher in status, more likely to make money, and more likely to climb the social ladder. Well, it's high time you decorate your wardrobe in red. Straight to point number 3. Have a sense of humor. Very few ladies are going to approach you if you're not making the others around you smile at the very least. Research has disclosed that women have a tendency of picking men with a great sense of humor as their potential dates. A study conducted by Guggen, a French researcher, revealed that women are 3 times more likely to give their phone numbers to a man who told jokes and made them laugh. Gentlemen, put in some efforts and make the ladies around you laugh and smile. They will not only love the moment, but would wish to spend such moments with you whenever a chance crops up. Point number 4 is to work out. Not only does working out provide you with a muscular and fit body, but it'll improve your self-confidence and overall health. So you'll be hitting 3 women turn-on zones with just one habit. A 2017 study that involved 150 women and conducted by researchers at Griffith University in Queensland, Australia, revealed that physical strength reigns supreme when it comes to women's preferences. It has also been identified that muscular guys have twice as many partners as average ones. I don't mean that you go spend your entire time at the gym trying to impress ladies, but the bottom line is, have a physically fit body if you want to attract that cute lady next door. Lastly, make eye contact and smile. Making eye contact makes you look super confident only if you don't flinch away, however. Don't be staring in her eyes for 10 seconds straight because that'll be very creepy. But make eye contact and smile to show you're friendly too. Make eye contact for a max of 3 seconds and you'll be getting her all mystified. The girl may even approach you and use your smile as an excuse, like, "I love your smile." Then you can just play it off from there. Just don't screw it up. Those are the 5 most effective ways of making women approach you first. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to check out more of our videos.